How to clean up Gmail inbox. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can clean up Gmail's inbox. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First, open up your Gmail. Then right here, you'll find all of your Gmails. And there you can see I have about 1500s of emails. Now, to make this quick and simply, get it over with, head over to settings and go to see all settings. After you're on your settings of Gmail, head over to this inbox section and select this updates option. Now, what updates are auto-generated emails, which are like notifications and other, bills which are auto-generated. Everything that are your, updates will appear on this update section right here. So tap on updates. So here you can see Reddit gives me a lot of emails. So what I can do is right click on Reddit. My bad. Let's go back here. Right click on here, and there you'll see find emails from Reddit. Tap on that. After doing that, it will show you all the information or all the emails from Reddit. You can select all here, then tap on delete. After you tap on delete, there you can see you can keep on doing this for the one that gives you the most emails. There are a lot of emails, so you can keep on repeating this process. So let's keep on doing this until we are free of Reddit emails. And yeah, you will need to do this again and again for most of your emails. You can cross this out now, hit enter, or you can simply go back to your inbox. And now you can see my inbox is reduced to 768. So you can keep on doing that. So LinkedIn gives me a lot of unnecessary emails as well. So I'll find emails from my LinkedIn as well, then delete all of them. So yeah, keep on doing this, and you can do this for all of the apps or all of your emails which you receive. So there you can see it's now starting to get lesser and lesser every time. So you can keep on doing that, and yeah, just do it for the emails that you don't need from. So such as blockchain here. So let's say that I don't need my blockchain's emails, so I'll just delete those by doing this. And there you can see from 1500 I am almost down half. And yeah, that's basically how you do this. You can keep on doing that and delete your unwanted emails. And to remove these updates, just go back to settings, user settings, and uncheck the box there, and you're good to go. And that's how you can clean up your emails really easily. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.